Hey everybody, this is Mr. Marshall at Stony Lane. I have a math game for you. This game is called Race to 100 because you're going to, guess what? Race to get to the number 100. Okay, and in this game, you need a hundreds board, which your teacher can give you, or you can even make one. Maybe your parents can help you make one, or you can print them off of Google. A grown up can help you to do that. But ask your teacher. I'm sure that your teacher has hundreds charts that you can use. So this is a hundreds chart. It's got every number on it from 1 all the way down to 100. And in this game, you're going to start on number 1, and you have to try and get to, guess what, 100, right? And so here's how the game works. You're going to need like a game figure person, right? Like this one's from Candyland. You can just use a piece of paper or whatever, okay? But it's gonna go on number 1. Okay, so I'm gonna start on number 1. And in this game, the other thing that you're going to need is you're going to need one of these guys, a die. Okay? And here's how the game goes. I'm starting my man on number 1, and I'm rolling my die. So here we go. I got a 1. So that means I can move over 1 space. So now I'm on 2. And the idea is that I have to say the number when I get there. Okay, and I can go across or I can go down. Okay, so I'm going to roll again. And this time I got a 4. A 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down 4 spaces. Right here, I'm on 2. I'm going to count down 4. And when I get to each number, I'm going to say the number out loud with my voice. I have to do that. Okay, so I'm on 2. So I'm going to go 12, 22, 32, 42. Okay? Do you see how I did that? I went down 4 spaces and I said the number out loud. So now I'm on 42. I'm going to roll again. And this time I got a 3. So now I'm going to go across this time. Ready? I'm going to move 3 spaces. 43, 44, 45. I'm on 45. Okay? I'm going to go one more time. And I got a 4 again. Okay, so I'm going to go down this time. Ready? 55, 65, 75, 85. I went 4 spaces because I rolled a 4. Okay? And I'm going to keep playing until I get to 100. I have to get on 100 exactly. So let's pretend I'm down here on 98. The only way I can win is if I roll that's right, a 2. Because I have to land on 100 exactly. And there's a couple of ways that you can play the game. One way that you can play the game is you can make this. Ready? A race with yourself. Race with myself. That means that I'm going to count how many turns it takes to get to 100. And so let's say in the first game I play and I am it takes me like 7 turns. I'm going to play again and see if I can do it in less than 7 turns. Okay? That's one way, is play race with myself. Another way to play this game is to say all in, and then I'm going to say a number, 8 turns. Okay, means I have to do it in 8 turns or less. If I do it in more than 8 turns, I lose. Okay, that's another way to play this game. And one more way to play this game is to race a partner. That means that I can play with a friend. Okay, and so I would use my blue man, and my friend could use a different one. Okay, and we're both playing on the same board together, or we might each have our own board and just like watch each other. Okay, so those are a couple of ways to play this game called Race to 100. Don't forget, you have to say the number out loud when you get there. All right, try that out, have some fun with it, and I'll see you next time.